50 metres of hidden cabling, no conduit in sight, and one very happy Tasman homeowner. Hey, it's Toby from Dunedin Solar, and this is one of my favourite installs from earlier this year. It started with a simple request. They wanted a Tesla Powerwall for backup power, but their house runs on 3-phase power. We sat down together, talked through the options, and came up with a solution. A 3-phase Fronius inverter to spread solar evenly across the whole home, and the Tesla battery backing up one phase for when the power goes out. The hardest part was keeping everything hidden. We ran over 50 metres of cable through some very tight roof spaces, lifting roofing tin, removing internal wall panels, and threading it all internally so there was no conduit showing anywhere. In the end, the customer got exactly what they wanted: solar across all 3 phases, backup power when it's needed, and a system that blends perfectly to their architecturally designed home. If you're thinking about solar and you're not sure where to start, give us a call and we can talk you through the options and design something that works for your home.